recording you actually being chained up.
We're recording you chaining John.
Handcuffs.
Right. Which band? Okay.
At this point in the film, John doesn't know I'm going to make him suck my cock. We'll get to that later. Gonna chain you up. Have a hand.
What?
Under it.
Under what?
This, that thing.
Oh, come on, seriously.
Oh, sorry, I can't see, can I?
Oh, well done, Mr. Can't See, facing the wrong way.
Under me. We're back. Stop. I don't know, come on.
Alright, okay. Rests, please, emo. Tighten that. Tighten that one as well. Look how loose that is.
Ah!
That looks a bit tight, actually.
Okay, right. Now I am going to try and get out, and there's a bottle of water floating around. With my beautiful assistant here, Lina. Enormous breasts.
Ooh.
Okay, right, anyway.
Right.
Okay. Crap.
Get in my bag.
Yeah.
Press summon it.
I have a tin. This could hurt.
You what?
Who?
Oh,
shit!
what was that? Oh, I'm trying to do magic.
Yeah.
Oh. Don't, oh no, don't. I'm coming, I'll kick you.
Alright.
Yeah, alright, yeah.
Actually, you can have a drink first.
Yours a drink.
Yeah,
You seriously
no,
want
just
some
in my
drink?
mouth, in my mouth.
In your mouth. Oh, you crotch. Oh, did I miss your mouth? I'm sorry. Oh, man. Ow. Who kicked someone's shin, dude?
That's all I can reach.
Throw the camera at him.
Throw a camera at him.
Take a shoe.
Oh, I know what I'll throw at him.
Not the TV, though.
Camera.
Cannot see me.
Security camera. Throw the VCR at him.
The VCR.
Oh, no, don't throw the VCR, that could hurt, man.
This one's not even plugged in, look. A VCR.
I'm trying to join myself.
Should I do this? Seriously, can I do this?
I don't know.
Ow! Charlie hit him with a chair.
No, don't hit me with the chair, you bastard.
Actually,
Oh, shit.
My chair! Ow, my chair! Oh, fuck, it's really, really hurt my chair. Oh, that's painful. Oh. I don't know.
he got out. Game with handcuffs! Game with handcuffs!